Best VoIP provider for small businesses. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you best VoIP provider for small businesses. So the first one is Intermedia Unit. Intermedia offers an excellent VoIP communication system that scales from small to mid-sized businesses up to enterprises. It attracts for businesses that want to further support help desk and customer relation management. It has unified communication with voice, video, chat and file sync, and it has many useful standard VoIP features, so you can go ahead and choose this one. And the next one is Ring Central MVP. It is AI-backed transcriptions and call analysis, and it has enhanced collaboration capabilities and numerous add-on apps. It is well-rounded platform that includes virtually every capabilities you would want in your small to mid-sized businesses. The next one is 8x8 Experiences Communication as a Service. It has lots of feature in the base offering, including video conferencing, improve mobile video for easier version from earlier version, easy setup for mobile and desktop clients, and many other features. And the next one is OneEdge Business Communication, and it has a long list of features for admins and user that will be very helpful for your small scale business. And it has a new AI-based virtual receptionist and a solid mobile and desktop app, so you can go ahead and choose this one. And the last one is Dialpad, best for soft phone users. So Dialpad is desktop client act as a communication hub, and it has AI-based call transcription, highlights actionable call content. Dialpad has its real focus on soft phones, which the companies regularly update. In fact, Dialpad also has new software updates every 2 weeks, so that the company instances are consistently refining its offering in a particular way. And it is also using an artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance the automatic call transcription capabilities. So these are the top 5 best VoIP providers for small businesses. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.